What up, peoples?
What's up?
So, we've been a little off on our videos lately. However, we've been saving this one for when both of us had some time to actually go and play it. We've come up with an unboxing game.
Yes.
Yes, unboxing game. It's going to be called the... What did we decide the name was?
I don't know. I don't remember.
Unboxing Challenge. No, Unboxing Duel. I like Duel better.
Duel is better.
Duel is better. Unboxing Duel is the name. So essentially how it works, it typically works best with these Funko Mystery Minis, right? You can kind of see on the back where it has 1 in 6, 1 in 12, 1 in 72. So you're going to sit here, you're going to take, let's just say 4. You can use any number you guys decide, right? So you take 4, and then you go ahead and you're going to open them. Each of you are going to open them, right? And then based on the number, so if I get a 1 in 6, that's 6 points. If I get a 1 in 12, it's 12 points. And whoever has the most points wins. So let's go ahead and we'll go ahead and battle. See how this works out.
All right.
Kind of makes unboxing fun, especially when you pick up a good stack on clearance or something. It's good fun. Let's see what we got. So, ooh, got me a Blackfire. She is 1 in 24. I have the lead. Almost guaranteed.
I think so.
Oh man, you see that little confident nod he had? Just here real quick.
I got a Robin, 1 in 6.
Alright, so I got the lead going here pretty hard. So
Let's see who I need to kind of clinch my victory.
you would need some pretty solid ones there to catch up.
I know.
I mean, Robin's like the basic. We should have like 6 Robins.
Like we get them off.
Ooh!
12.
Got me a Mammoth. So, it's 12 already.
Ooh, 1 in 24 right
Oh, you caught up.
here. Yeah.
Oh, sort of. Still in the lead by 6. That's nice. It's a nice pull.
But I wanted the guy next to him.
Oh, yeah.
Who do you think will win? Write it now.
Whew. I mean, I'm not happy it's a duplicate, but it's another 1 in 12.
Oh!
Ooh.
Another 1 in 24. So this is the deciding vote. Let's try to get the ultra rare.
Let's try to get the most ultra of the rare. Or at least ones we
Oh, we
don't
did
have.
have that rule, didn't we?
Oh, yeah.
Duplicates.
So, if we end up with the exact same number of points, whoever has the least amount of duplicates wins. Ooh, Starfire, so I have a 1 in 6.
Raven.
Oh, wow. I'm still ahead, though. Alright, so you had 12, 24, 24. Oh, no, you won. You managed to win.
6. Yeah.
You managed to win.
Yeah. That was a good game. Well, let's put the villains on one side.
Well, I'm just sorting them out by copies.
Okay.
Alright. We'll go another round. How many do we got left? I'm supposed to count it, not rep it. Really? Oh!
3, 6.
So we can go 2 more games.
Yeah?
2 out of 3!
Or you want to go...
We'll just do 3.
3? Alright.
Let's do 3.
Here we go. Who's gonna win this one? I wonder.
This is the revenge round. Dum dum dum. Ah, a 1 in 6 Starfire. Oh, that's not looking good.
Well, let's see if we get a Beast Boy. Come on. Beast Boy?
Beast Boy sideboard?
Yeah, right.
Be nice to have.
Oh, come on.
Robin.
Robin. Why do I get the Robins? It's the Robinsons.
Over there chatting.
Yeah.
Oh wait,
Isn't it should be the other way around?
We need those.
Robin trying to hit on Starfire.
Oh, another Robin.
Well, you did cost 6, so we're short 3 more. And I got a... Ooh, this guy, man. I've been getting this guy.
I think because he's one of the exclusives for the Hot Topic ones.
Ah. Not a fan. Let's get me some.
Oh, you don't like
this.
Dr. Light?
Oh, man. Give me Gizmo or whatever.
Give me a Flash. Ooh,
Ooh, there's my Beast Boy.
And Cyborg. Alright, so you won this round. I'm kind of not happy about that. But we're doing pretty good on putting the set together at least.
Yeah. Almost.
These are all end up in my collection, but at least me and Will are having some fun opening them up.
Yeah.
Alright.
You're gonna sell the duplicates, though, right?
Probably. Definitely flip them.
So if you're interested, hit us up now. Make some shout-outs.
Shameless promotion.
Shameless.
Will's always shameless though.
It's my middle name.
I thought Danger was your middle name.
That's when I'm out on the field. I'm single.
Oh man, Marlo's gonna stab you for this one.
Always. I don't think we got this one. Yeah, buddy.
Oh, Jinx. Oh, I won!
Yes!
Oh, I'm
Good
gonna win
for
this one. 1 in 72. It's almost impossible for Will to beat me now.
So you can pull the ultra rare for buying 700 boxes. You will eventually get one.
Yeah, I hope we get well, there is another 1 in 72, Silky, that we haven't pulled
I
yet.
actually like Silky.
Yeah, I think Silky's a must.
Oh, ooh.
Oh,
This is
no.
a big boy.
The big boy.
This is a big boy.
Did you get him?
Yeah, I got him. Come on.
Oh,
Come
nice. All right, so what's the numbers we got here? You got
36
and 12.
12. And
I
you
got
a
72.
72.
oh, and I got a Raven. I mean a Starfire, so 6. So I'm at 80. I mean, if you pull, you could pull a big one and win.
I just need. Ooh.
I mean, it'd be nice if we got multiple and Gizmo.
Yeah. Gizmo. Silky's good.
Silky would be nice for me.
What can this be? Oh, this is duplicate.
And I got another Robin. Oh man, if he pulls a high one, this could be a thing. 12.
12.
So I still won. Yeah, I
We
finally
won this round.
got my first victory.
We almost got the full set. We're missing
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
That's not bad.
That's not bad.
Only Gizmo's the only real one. I'm still like in Silky would be nice. But we definitely have some good copies here.
Here are the duplicates, everyone.
Don't worry about that. Alright, so
All right, now
we're going to go into the next round of Fallout, and I'm going to come back for my triumphant victory.
Fallout, huh?
Let's see, how many do we got here?
2, 4, 6, 8, 10.
Alright, so
4, 4, and or 3.
we can do 3 rounds of 3. And we have 1 loose one.
Here we go. Yeah, or 2, 2, 2.
Oh yeah, we can do 3 and 2. Or you just go all out. Go 5 deep. 5 deep.
Fine.
Winner take all.
Who do I want from this set? Ooh, that exclusive. Mind you, I haven't played Fallout.
You know you're not cool.
I know.
All right. Well, from the first pull, what do we got? What do we got? Ooh. I think I went and snagged. Oh. It's an exclusive one, but it's 1 in 12.
Ah. Good thing. Yeah. We want exclusives.
Listen now, I want the...
I'll match yours.
You'll match me?
Yeah. We're gonna match each other.
So one thing I don't like about the Funkos from the exclusive ones, you end up getting a lot of the same, a lot of the exclusive ones. Yep, 3 and
3 deep.
So we're 3 for 3 on this guy. 3 for 3.
But I like myself a kneeling soldier sniper. He's 1 of 6.
Yeah, so technically I'm winning so far.
Technically.
This disappointment of a round. There's a few I really want from here because I love Fallout.
Name it out, I'll pull it out.
Pretty much ones we haven't gotten yet. Almost anything we haven't gotten yet.
Fair enough.
Some of the robots and the power armor would be nice. Oh, sweet! I got my head of the Brotherhood. He is 1 in 24.
Got a guy with a hat, I think.
Oh man, did you?
He's
ooh. Yes.
Cyborg.
I want Valentine.
1 in 24.
So you're still losing by 6 though.
Well, at least my team is diverse.
Yeah, I really want that 1 in 36 red power armor though.
The red power armor. That's actually the one I like in the set. What was your favorite Fallout? Right below.
Ooh, sweet. That's a 1 in 6.
That's my duplicate.
1 in 6. Alright, so last round.
Last round.
Looks like I'm gonna win this winner takes all.
Seems like it.
Winner take all. Boom, boom, boom.
The robot suit's so damn hard to get. Ooh, we haven't seen that one before.
Ooh, got me some ghoul.
So,
but he is only a 1 in 12.
Oh.
Will could come for the win if he comes up with one of the big ones.
Can I? Nope.
Stands. Alright, so picked up a few from the stack.
Disappointing pools.
We had some fun though.
Yes.
How you guys see how this game works? You guys sit there, play with a friend, unrock some stuff. Until next time, until our next unboxing or jam or whatever video we decide to post.
Peace. Later.